We're going into Honda motorcycle place here and see if they have any new models.
Are you going to use this one for what? For
Well,
just a service or?
I'm just kind of looking right now. This is a TMX S2J.
Yeah.
And this is 150?
Yes, sir.
And you're a Christian?
Yeah.
All right, Christian is here.
Yeah,
All
hi
right.
guys.
All right, don't worry, he's a Christian. Okay, now, I think they used to call this something else, right? They didn't call it, what? Premio, right?
No, Supremo.
Supremo.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's called TMX now,
TMX.
right? And it has tachometer, gas gauge, speedometer, and I think this little thing right here it tells you what gear you're in, right?
Gear indicator.
Yeah, it's like kind of like top of the line. But I noticed the exhausts are now like a matte black instead of chrome, but it still does have a luggage rack on the back. Very nice, and there's 72,000 now for the new 150, and it's called, it's still called Supremo, TMX Supremo, but they put the TMX signification on there, and it looks like a halogen headlight. And then this is the standard TMX here with 125. What's interesting about the 125 is they have chrome fenders, and these are 51,000. And it also has tachometer, speedometer, but no gas gauge. Also flat black exhaust. Now this looks like it's new. I never saw this before.
Yeah, this one's a...
It's called an Airblade, and this is a 150.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Here's the
Here's the specs.
specs. No, this is the, for the beat.
That's a bigger one. This is for a 150 Airblade.
Yeah.
And that's the specs there. But it's got all digital, but the price is that 107?
Yeah.
107,000 pesos, Airblade 150. Why is it so much more money? Oh, because it's automatic? Is that it?
It's because it's ABS, the braking system.
Oh, it has ABS braking.
Two
shocks on the back.
Bigger compartment box, and it has already built-in charger inside.
Oh, what?
Yeah, power output inside the box.
Power output. You mean for charging your phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here. Look up.
Oh, here's another one, a blue one.
Blue one.
Okay.
Here's your power output.
Oh, that's the power outlet there.
You can charge
And
your
what's
phone.
this right here?
This is a light.
Oh, so you can
when
turn it on
your,
at night.
You open your box,
seat?
new box, the seat.
Oh,
Will automatically
okay.
turn on.
Oh, okay.
And this is your divider, just in case you leave your phone charging while you're traveling, so you can put your divider in there.
You put your phone there so it won't slide down into the bottom.
Yes, sir.
And that's pretty big right there. You can put, I think you can put a helmet in there. But not two helmets, but one helmet. That's a really nice color there, blue. And there's another one here.
Yeah.
Another Airblade here.
So this one is new.
And also, this is an ADV 150. I thought the ADV was bigger.
Yeah, we also have bigger.
Oh, they have a bigger one there.
Bigger battery. See.
And it's got the same setup in the back.
Yeah.
Well, what's the difference between an ADV and an Airblade?
The difference there is this one. The
Adjustable shock.
shocks. Then here you can put your phone, and then
You have a little
pocket
glove
right
box there.
Then the power output is inside.
And the power output is, so you don't have to get under the seat.
Yeah.
So you just raise this thing here.
And then this is adjustable. Can actually slide it down and up and down.
Oh, that's the windshield.
Yeah, the windshield.
But this one here is, the ADV is 147,000 pesos, and that's the payment schedule. And you get, well, same thing with this, the platform.
But this is already disc brake at the rear.
It's what?
Disc brake. Using disc
Oh,
brake at
yeah,
the rear.
disc brake. And disc brake in the back. Oh, okay. Because the other ones had disc brake in the front only. And there's the interior of the glove box. There's that. That's really nice. Well, now what's that scooter over there?
Which one?
Genio.
Genio?
Genio. Is that new?
Yes, sir.
This is new here. It's called a Genio or Genio, and it's got
110cc.
what?
110cc.
110cc.
Yeah, and this is.
Oh, did this take the place of the? Oh, you still have a beat, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, but it has power
Power
out.
output and fully digital.
What?
Fully digital.
It's
Here.
fully digital. Okay.
Yeah, and LED lights.
LED
with,
light. LED light in the front. Okay, and well, what's the cost? Is 72,000 Genio, and there's the payments, and there's the dash, I guess you call it. It's like a hook. So you can hook where you can hang your groceries, a flat scooter platform. And well, how much is a beat? Just as a comparison.
68,000.
What?
68,000.
Okay, it's 58,000 if you want to.
68.
68. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry. 68,000 for a beat. And if you move up to, and it's got the same engine.
Yeah.
And if you move up to the Genio, it's 72,000.
Version 2
Okay.
of Scoopy.
This is actually Scoopy
Version 2.
reissued,
Yeah.
I guess. And they all have alloy wheels.
Tubeless tires.
But if you want a basic click, now click is 125 and it's 75,000. This is the same thing. They've had,
This one is 150 click.
oh, well, they make a 150 click now. Well, I think they already had a 150 click is 97,000 pesos. And they're all digital. The clicks are kind of like top of the line. Okay, I think that's the selection of the new bikes, or newer bikes. Do you? Okay. This is a CB1100, and it is 816,000 pesos. I believe I reviewed this before. It looks like a classic look, and I think it's a little bit updated than before. I think the tank is different, and it has, you know, all the controls here and dials. It's a flat gas filler. Whoop. Looks like either an oil cooler here, dual horns, disc brakes in the back, in the front. This is where you check the oil here. Very